To achieve a successful relationship, one must learn to sacrifice and adapt for their partner. That's when true connection happens. However, if a person enters marriage rigid and set in their ways, it becomes much harder to create that bond. This is sometimes noticeable in couples marrying later in life. You see, when people marry young, say at 20 or 22 years old, they're like a soft tree trunk, flexible and easier to shape and adapt to each other. But when someone marries at 30, 35, or even 40, not that it's their fault, of course, it's like the tree trunk has already hardened, making adjustments more challenging. Sometimes, delays happen because of wasted time in relationships that lack purpose. For instance, some people spend years living together without a clear commitment, only to break up later. If they weren't truly compatible, why invest so much time? A focused approach, one where a person seeks meaningful connection rather than distractions, often leads to earlier, more purposeful marriages. For those marrying later in life, it's not impossible to build a strong, loving partnership. It just requires self-awareness. You must recognize, I'm more set in my ways, but that doesn't mean I can't have peace and harmony in my home. What does it take? Effort, sacrificing some habits, compromising on plans, letting go of being overly rigid. Ask yourself, is holding on to this small thing worth risking peace in your marriage? Often, the answer is no. The effort to adapt and meet your spouse halfway is far more rewarding than the tears, arguments, and heartbreak that stubbornness can bring. To truly connect, you must give of yourself, and in doing so, you'll discover the deeper bond that marriage was meant to offer.